Hello. I was going to do an unboxing of this, and I did, sorry. But I had too many issues with the post production or whatever, so I'm going to do a review of this product. This, just so you know, is what came in the box. And these things, this here, probably should have taken it out before, there we go. This here and this little USB dongle. Here you have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, the connector obviously for the Xbox. And what's interesting is the headphone jack folds. It's really neat. You can hide it away and stuff. The headphone jack is obviously, so you can put your headphones in the Xbox controller, in case you didn't know. This slot here is for this. It's for this USB dongle. Just, whoa. Goes in just like that. And it's a little bit of a pain, God, to get out. So, you might be asking yourself, why on earth would I get something like this instead of using something like the regular official Microsoft Chatpad? Well, it's because the Chatpad, when plugged into your Xbox controller, the official Microsoft one, will not work with the PC. I don't know why, and I think it's the most retarded thing ever, but it just doesn't work. And if it works with the games on the Windows 10 platform, but just won't work when I try and use keybind, or even like use it as a key, even use it to like type in stuff on like a browser. I feel like that kind of sucks. Like just working on the games or whatever for chat inside Windows 10 would suck if you can't also use it elsewhere within your computer. So I got one of these. This is pretty nice. One of the problems is that when you put it in, and it's kind of a pain to get out, you have to make sure everything's secure. It has this little thing that it does where you can kind of move it around and it doesn't feel as secure. Other than that, it's actually been working pretty well. Now I got this so that I could use this as my daily driver for my PC. I don't want to have to use my keyboard and mouse anymore. Okay, this has been pretty nice to use, and I've been using it on my PC, trying to make use of it, but I've got a few other issues, and I hope this isn't too fast. The shift will not toggle on or off. The thing about the Microsoft Chatpad is that the shift does toggle, and you press the shift down twice for caps lock, and it makes a lot of sense. It's very intuitive. This is not. Now, this would not be a problem if they had another shift on the other side, but they don't. And it's a big issue. So I actually just use the caps lock and just toggle it on and off, because it's, usually the way it works. But I want to be able to press the shift down once and then press whatever letter that I need capitalized, and then have it go away. That's how it works on the regular Microsoft Chatpad. And I would be using that if it worked with my PC, but it does not. This is great, except for those small things. Now, it might be small to you, but it has pissed me off a little bit. There's also an issue of the caps lock. When you toggle it on, there's no light to indicate whether or not it's on. What a retarded design. Who does that? Now, in the on the page here, it doesn't say that the keys light up. That's fine. I don't really need a backlit keyboard. But you could just sit there and just make it to where the caps lock itself lights up so that we know that it's on. Or give an indicator light somewhere on the keyboard. But there's nothing there. So this, like I said, has been great to use. It works really well. It feels like some keys are missing, but it does tell you it's got like 47 keys, including the caps lock. Yeah, 47 keys, including the caps lock. And it shows you all the keys that are there. So that is my bad on not paying attention. I mean, it is as advertised pretty much, except for the shift and the caps lock. Like, this could have been really nice features, the toggle for the shift and all that. But you know what? It just kind of sucks that was not a thing that you would do. Most keyboards already have that, except for my shitty one, which is why I want to make this my daily driver. I feel like it just makes more sense, honestly, to use, and it looks cool. You know, it looks cool. Somebody comes over, they see you using your fucking like controller for a mouse and the Chatpad for the keyboard. Hell yeah, dude. You're not gonna look like a dork at all. Anyway, or a nerd. I guess that'd be it. Whatever. Geek. Words. Anyway, as far as the whole product goes, besides those couple complaints, this product actually works fairly well. And this is definitely a problem. The headphone jack was a little bit weird, but I guess, you know, it actually doesn't matter very much. So anyway, yeah, I know that was probably a really quick video. I love that it works with my PC. That's what I bought it for. And I didn't actually know that that it would. And I know that sounds weird, even though it comes with a USB receiver. But the way some products are done, I felt it was proprietary to an Xbox, and for whatever reason, I didn't think that. I don't know. I thought it would just work with the Xbox and not work with the PC. Like the Xbox has different USB hardware. Anyway, I'm probably gonna get another one just because I can't. No backlit, toggle shift stuff issues, and those are definitely big issues. I've had multiple issues with my current keyboard not having a fucking light for the caps lock. Like who does? I don't fucking understand. Who does that? Who makes a keyboard without an indicator light for the caps lock? It has no indicator light for the nums lock or the scroll lock either. It's the most retarded bullshit I've ever heard of. It makes it hard for me to input my passwords because I literally have to open a new tab and then make sure, like type in the search bar and make sure that my caps lock is either off or on. And that actually does, it causes issues for me because I just want to make sure that I haven't input the wrong password or whatever. First world problems. But anyway, this is probably about a 3.5 to 4 star product. Like I said, it is kind of as advertised, but the cheap feeling on the back and the fucking shift and caps lock thing is what, you know, what makes it a 3 to 4 star product. So anyway, you guys have fun. I'll see you guys in the next video.